To create a copy of a design in Dijibiz, meaning to duplicate the same design multiple times, find the design in your library and open it. After opening it, first, without making any changes, simply click on the Create Clone menu from this menu here. You will see the same design open in a new page. If you click on the Rename menu from this section, you will see that copy is added to the end of the template name. You can change the template name if you wish. You can make any changes you want to the design. When you return to your library page, you will see the original design. After refreshing the page, you will also see the duplicated design. The main purpose of this process is to create another design with the same attributes without altering the original design.